TEAS explained answers. Question 1. After Choral Group 93 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the answer explanation review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Time tests should be avoided. Option B. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance. Option C. Longer study sessions always beat rest. Option D. Memory depends only on intelligence. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Time tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests, and longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help. Memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits. Question 2. When Choral Group 93 sees details that a student rereads the same paragraph 3 times, yawns, and misses 2 simple details, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The student may be fatigued. Option B. The paragraph has no main idea. Option C. The student has finished early. Option D. The answer key is missing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because repeated rereading, yawning, and missed details point to tiredness affecting attention. The paragraph has no main idea is wrong because the problem shown is attention, not the paragraph structure, and the student has finished early is wrong because the details show struggle rather than completion. The answer key is missing is wrong because nothing suggests a missing key. Question 3. During Choral Group 93's answer explanation review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To explain how to build a desk. Option B. To rank science topics by difficulty. Option C. To advise students on careful test reading. Option D. To describe a historical event. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included, and to rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics. To describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described. Question 4. While Choral Group 93 outlines a passage that explains that missed sleep leads to poor focus and then lower accuracy, which structure is being used? Option A. Cause and effect. Option B. Definition. Option C. Question and answer. Option D. Compare and contrast. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage links one condition with its results. Definition is wrong because it is not mainly defining a word, and question and answer is wrong because the structure is not built as Q&A. Compare and contrast is wrong because 2 items are not being compared. Question 5. Before Choral Group 93 accepts the claim that daily short practice improves accuracy, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. A teacher enjoys reading novels. Option B. The classroom has 4 windows. Option C. Students who completed 15 practice items daily improved from 68% to 82% in 2 weeks. Option D. Some students like colorful notebooks. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because specific scores and a time frame directly support improvement from practice. A teacher enjoys reading novels is wrong because the teacher's hobby is unrelated to practice accuracy, and the classroom has 4 windows is wrong because room details do not support the claim. Some students like colorful notebooks is wrong because preference for notebooks does not show accuracy gains. Question 6. Since Choral Group 93 sees the word consistent in her scores became consistent after she used the same review routine, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Rarely seen. Option B. Steady or reliable. Option C. Completely random. Option D. Extremely silent. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because consistent describes results that do not vary wildly. Rarely seen is wrong because the sentence is about pattern, not visibility, and completely random is wrong because random is the opposite of steady. Extremely silent is wrong because sound level is unrelated. Question 7. Given Coral Group 93 answers 13 out of 50 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 38.46%. Option B, 20.63%. Option C, 74%. Option D, 26%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 13 divided by 50 equals 0.26, and multiplying by 100 gives 26%. 38.46% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 20.63% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 74% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. Question 8. If Coral Group 93's score rises from 60 to 75, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 25%. Option B, 125%. Option C, 20%. Option D, 15%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 15, and 15 divided by the original score 60 equals 25%. 125% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase, and 20% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. 15% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose Coral Group 93 solves for x plus 8 equals 20, which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 2. Option B, 12. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 8 leaves 4x equals 12, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 3. 2 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation, and 12 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. 4 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. Question 10. Using Coral Group 93's triangle diagram with a base of 14 cm and a height of 11 cm, which area should be recorded? Option A, 50 cm. Option B, 77 square cm. Option C, 25 square cm. Option D, 154 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, so 0.5 times 14 times 11 equals 77. 50 centimeters is wrong because that resembles a perimeter calculation and uses the wrong units, and 25 square cm is wrong because it adds dimensions rather than using the area formula. 154 square cm is wrong because it forgets to take half of the base height product. Question 11. From Coral Group 93's measurement note of 750 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 0.75 L. Option B, 0.075 L. Option C, 75 L. Option D, 7.5 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter, so moving the decimal 3 places gives 0.75 L. 0.075 L is wrong because the decimal is moved 1 place too far, and 75 L is wrong because the decimal is moved in the wrong scale. 7.5 L is wrong because the decimal is moved only 2 places. Question 12. In Coral Group 93's score set 75, 93, 87, 74, 92, which median should be reported? Option A, 84.2. Option B, 87. Option C, 74. Option D, 93. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 74, 75, 87, 92, 93, and the middle value rule gives 87. 84.2 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method, and 74 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 93 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For Coral Group 93, 6 review packets cost $30. At the same rate, how much do 8 packets cost? Option A, $48. Option B, $40. Option C, $38. Option D, $35. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $30 divided by 6 gives $5 per packet, and 8 packets cost $40. $48 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $38 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $35 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. Question 14. Near Coral Group 93's waste breakdown review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, nucleus. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, lysosomes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because lysosomes contain enzymes that break down wastes and worn cell parts. Endoplasmic reticulum is wrong because the ER helps transport and process molecules rather than digesting waste, and nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores genetic information. Ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes make proteins. Question 15. Because Coral Group 93 traces circulation and blood leaves the right ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, pulmonary vein toward the left atrium. Option B, vena cava toward the right atrium. Option C, aorta toward the body. Option D, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Pulmonary vein toward the left atrium is wrong because pulmonary veins return blood from lungs, not from the right ventricle, and vena cava toward the right atrium is wrong because the vena cava brings blood into the heart. Aorta toward the body is wrong because the aorta receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle. Question 16. Although Coral Group 93 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, dry keratin layers. Option B, hard mineral walls. Option C, no contact with capillaries. Option D, moist membranes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse more effectively across moist respiratory surfaces. Dry keratin layers is wrong because dry keratin would block efficient diffusion, and hard mineral walls is wrong because hard mineral tissue is not designed for gas exchange. No contact with capillaries is wrong because capillary contact is essential for exchange. Question 17. Once Coral Group 93 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, homeostatic regulation. Option B, mechanical digestion. Option C, blood clotting cascade only. Option D, genetic drift. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces, and blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change. Question 18. Where Coral Group 93 studies genetics and 2 heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 100%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB, so 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles, and 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype. Question 19. As Coral Group 93 reviews chemistry and pH changes from 5 to 3, which conclusion follows? Option A. It becomes 2 times more acidic. Option B. It becomes 100 times more acidic. Option C. It does not change acidity. Option D. it becomes 100 times more basic. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each pH unit represents a tenfold change, so 2 units mean 10 times 10. It becomes 2 times more acidic is wrong because pH is logarithmic, not a simple subtraction scale, and it does not change acidity is wrong because a 2-unit pH shift is meaningful. It becomes 100 times more basic is wrong because a lower pH means more acidic, not more basic. Question 20. Under Coral Group 93's experiment testing whether study breaks affect quiz accuracy, which setup is the control group? Option A, students taking no planned breaks while using the same quiz. Option B, students using a different quiz and breaks. Option C, students whose scores are not recorded. Option D, students who choose any schedule they want. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the group without the tested break schedule provides a baseline. Students using a different quiz and breaks is wrong because different quizzes create another variable, and students whose scores are not recorded is wrong because no data would be available. Students who choose any schedule they want is wrong because uncontrolled schedules make comparison weak. Question 21. Between Coral Group 93's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart. Option B. The nurse in the hallway are checking the chart. Option C. The nurses in the hallway are checking the chart. Option D. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the plural subject nurses agrees with R. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart is wrong because was does not agree with plural nurses, and the nurse in the hallway are checking the chart is wrong because are does not agree with singular nurse. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart is wrong because is does not agree with plural nurses. Question 22. Inside Coral Group 93's sentence the team updated blank schedule after the review, which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, them. Option B, dits. Option C, they. Option D, dits. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because team is a singular collective noun in this sentence, so it fits formal agreement. Them is wrong because them is an object pronoun, and its is wrong because it means it is and cannot modify schedule. They is wrong because they is a subject pronoun and does not show possession before schedule. Question 23. Through Coral Group 93's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option B. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option C. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option D. The timer rang when everyone stopped writing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each side can stand alone as a complete sentence. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing is wrong because the mark splits subject and verb, and the timer rang, everyone stopped writing is wrong because the first part is not properly separated. The timer rang when everyone stopped writing is wrong because the second part is a dependent clause. Question 24. According to Coral Group 93's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. Option B. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. Option C. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation. Option D. The calculator worked because the answer still. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a semicolon correctly connects two related independent clauses. The calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation is wrong because the comma alone creates a comma splice, and the calculator worked, the answer still needed estimation is wrong because there is no punctuation between complete thoughts. The calculator worked because the answer still is wrong because the second part is incomplete. Question 25. Beyond Coral Group 93's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix Brady add? Option A, fast. Option B, above. Option C, slow. Option D, inside. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because brady means slow, as in bradycardia meaning a slow heart rate. Fast is wrong because fast is tachy and above is wrong because above can be supra or hyper depending context. Inside is wrong because inside is endo